Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll show you how to fix WhatsApp status issue. If you are facing any kind of issue while posting your WhatsApp status, then you have to watch this video complete. We'll give you the solution how you can fix this issue. So first of all, you have to click on these three dots, click on settings, and then you have to click on chats. Scroll down. Here you will see chat backup. Click on it and you have to click on backup. So you have to backup all of your WhatsApp chat history. So here you can see our WhatsApp backup is in progress. Once you will backup your WhatsApp chat, then you have to minimize. Go to your phone settings, click on apps, and then you have to go to WhatsApp. Click on storage. First of all, clear cache, and then you have to clear the data. Click on OK. Now you have to go back. Click on permissions. Now you have to enable one by one all the permissions. Allow all the permissions. Once you will allow all the permission, minimize this one. Now open WhatsApp and log in again. WhatsApp will automatically start looking your backup and it will restore all of your WhatsApp chat history. Click on restore. After restoring all of your WhatsApp data, click on next. So now you can post your WhatsApp status without any issue. So in the same way, you can also fix WhatsApp status problem. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.